Steps to field planting. Planting germinated seed nuts. Number 1. Apply 20 grams of ammonium sulfate and 20 grams of potassium chloride in the prepared holes. Number 2. Add 2 inches of topsoil and decomposed organic material, leaving about 1/3 free for the coconut seedlings to sit. Number 3. Place the seedlings in the hole. Cover hole with the remaining soil. Note: the seedlings should be planted within 3 days to reduce mortality. Make sure to cut away injured roots before planting. Planting polybagged seedling. Number 1. Cut the bottom of the polybag. Number 2. Set the seedling in the prepared hole using the planting guide, ensuring that about 2 inches of the seedling base is set beneath the guide at ground level. Number 3. Remove the remaining portion of the polybag. Number 4. Cover the hole with loose topsoil, then press, providing a slight depression near the base of the crown. Keep soil away from the leaf axils. Fence each newly field-planted palm to protect from animal grazing, which may cause stunting or death.